Hello guys, welcome to my channel SK Coder. So in today's video we are going to see if and else statement. So I have started my Eclipse. So let us move into the video. So I'll just open our workspace. So guys, before it starts, I'll tell you a little bit of information about if and else. So in if and else, in if statement you write that a condition, and in else if that condition is not true, what will happen, and if that condition is true you write it in the if, and if it is not true you write it in the else. So we'll just see that now. It's starting, I think so. So guys, there it has started. So as you must have remember, in the last video we studied user input, and in the second tutorial data types and variables. If you haven't, to you at the end of the video. So we'll just make a new class called if and else. New class if and else. So public static void finish. So guys, as you can see our class is created. So let me show you. So we'll just create an integer if or else is equal to 5. Okay, so now we'll add if now we'll call this variable here. This value is 5. So let us just do it. If or else. If or else equals to 5. Then we just open curly brackets. Then we'll write what will happen. So we just system dot out dot println the number equals to 5. Let us save the program and let us write else system dot out dot println the number is not equal to 5. So I will tell you about this signs. It's not equal to 5. Okay, so save. Let me run my program. It's running. Yeah, see, the number is equal to 5. So this is data type integer, variable name if or else, and its value is 5. In the if statement we put the condition if this variable is equals to 5, then system.out.println the number is equal to 5, or else system.out.println the number is not equal to 5. So this doesn't look familiar that we had to change this value. So we'll just take the input from the user, as you know how to take the input. So let us just create a scanner class. Scan is equal to new scanner system.in. So let us just import the scanner class. Imports java.50 the scanner. There it is imported. So if integer equals to scan dot next integer. So before this, let's just ask the user to enter and digit. System dot out dot system dot out dot println please enter and number. Save. So now if and sorry and if it equals to 5, we will tell you. If it is equal to 5, we will tell you. If it is not, we will tell you. So let me run the program. So guys, it is enter our program. So the number is equal to 5. See? Now again I will run. This time I'll enter another number. Let me enter 0. The number is not equal to 5. So guys, I'll enter a short video on in the next tutorial, and it will be continued part of tutorial 4. So in that I will tell you the signs. So I will just show you. Okay, so this means equals to, this means not equals to, and in the next tutorial we'll see and we'll see and or. So I'll just show you. And is like this and or is like this. So we will see these two in the next video. This will be continued of our if and else. So for now, bye, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye guys.